comparison of rational numbers. Next point is a comparison of rational numbers. Here, for any pair of numbers on a number line, suppose this is a number line, at the center 0, suppose this is 1, 2, and so on. Here -1, -2, and so on. Here what we can say, any pair of numbers on number line, the number to the left is smaller than the other. Here we can write any pair, for any pair of numbers, for any pair of numbers on number line, the number to the left is smaller than other. For example, here -1 and 1, these are the two numbers. -1 and 1, these are the two numbers. Then we can write, here the -1 is there, here 1 is there. The -1 is a left to the left side of 1. That is, -1 is the left to the 1. Therefore, -1 is less than 1. The meaning of this statement. Another example, suppose 1 and 2, these are the two numbers. Where is the location of 1? Here the location of 1 and here location of 2. Then 1 is left, 1 is at the left, therefore 1 is less than 2. Similarly, we can use the same property for the rational numbers. Here there is one important property. If numerator and denominator of rational number is multiplied by same number by any non-zero number, then the value of rational number does not change. The value of rational number does not change. This is very important. That is, A upon B is equal to AK upon BK. We can write A upon B is equal to AK upon BK, where K is not equal to, and the K is not equal to 0. The value of K is non-zero. This is very important property here. If the numerator and denominator of the rational number is multiplied by any non-zero number, the value of rational number does not change. Example. Suppose there is one number 3 upon 5. If we multiply this 3 upon 3 and 5 by the same number, that is 2, then what we get? We get 6 upon 10. It means this 3 upon 5 and this 6 upon 10 are equal. They are equal. That is, the original value does not change. After that, there are some rules to compare the rational numbers. Here, suppose there are two negative numbers. If there are two negative numbers, -3 and -7, then this -3 is greater than -7. Therefore, we can write -7 is less than -3, because -3 is at the right hand side and the -7 is to the left hand side. Therefore, -7 is always less than -3. And here, when we compare the two negative numbers, after that, if the denominators are same, for example 5 upon 7 and 9 upon 7, these are the two numbers. If the denominators are same, then only compare the numerators. Which numerator is bigger here? 9 is bigger. Here 5 is less than 9. Therefore, we can write 5 by 7 is less than 9 upon 7. When it is possible, if the numerators are equal, at that time only compare. If the numerators, not numerator, if the denominators are the same, at that time compare only the numerators and decide which is greater and which is smaller if the denominators are the same. After that, here, if A and B, the rules to compare the rational numbers. Rules to compare the rational numbers. Rules to compare rational numbers. The rules to compare the rational numbers. If A and B, A upon B and C upon D are rational numbers. Consider here A upon B and C upon D are the two rational numbers. And here B and D are positive, such that B and D are positive. Then we can write first A into D, first, if the cross multiplication A into D is greater than, or is instead of it consider less than B into C, if A into D is less than B into C, then we can write the first rational number A upon B is less than C upon D. The first property, if the product of A into D is less than B into C, then we can write A upon B is less than C upon D. The second property, here, if A into D is equal to B into C, then we can write both the rational numbers are equal. And the third property, here, if A into D is greater than B into C, then we can write the first rational number is greater than second rational number. These are the three important properties or rules. By using these three rules, we can decide which rational number is smaller and which is greater. The first, A into D is less than B into C. At that time, the first rational number is less than second. If both the product are equal, then both rational numbers are equal. If the A into D is greater than B into C, at that time the first rational number A upon B is always greater than C upon D. By using these rules, we can solve the practice set 1.2. Here, practice set 1.2. Compare the following numbers. First, compare following numbers. Compare the following numbers. First is minus 7, minus 2, minus 7 and minus 2. Here minus 7 and minus 2, when we compare, both are the negative. But here minus 7 on a number line, minus 7 is left to the minus 2. Therefore we can write here minus 7 is less than minus 2. Second example, 0 and minus 9 upon 5. When we consider any number line, at that time the negative number is at the left hand side of 0. Therefore here 0 is greater than minus 9 upon 5. Then third, 8 upon 7, 0. Here 8 upon 7 is a positive number and 0. Any positive number is at the right to the 0. Therefore we can write 8 upon 7 is greater than 0. Then the fourth, minus 5 upon 4 and 1 upon 4. Look at here, the denominators are same. Then only compare the numerators. Here when we compare minus 1 and 1, here minus 1 is less than 1. It means any negative number is always less than positive numbers. Here we can write minus 5 by 4 is less than 1 by 4, because 1 by 4 is a positive number and it is a negative number. Therefore the negative number is at the left of positive number. Therefore the negative number is less than, that is 1 by 4. Then fifth, 40 upon 29 and 141 upon 29. It is directly we can write. The denominators are same, then compare the numerators. Which numerator is greater? 141 is greater. It means 40 upon 29 is less than 141 upon 29. Here we can write 141 is greater than 40, therefore 40 upon 29 is less than 141 upon 29. This is the fifth problem. Then sixth. In the sixth, minus 17 upon 20. And second, minus 13 upon 20. The denominators are same. The denominators are same. It means we can write here minus 17 is at the left to the minus 13. Therefore we can write minus 17 upon 20 is less than minus 13 upon 20. Then seventh, 15 upon 12 and 7 upon 16. Here again look at here, 15 upon 12, 7 upon 16. The denominators are different here. First, make denominators as the same. Therefore, we write here this example, 7th problem, 15 upon 12 and 7 upon 16. Here, to make the denominator same, what we can write here, 12 4s are 48 and 16 3s are 48. Therefore, multiply this 15 upon 12 by 4. Here 15 upon 12 is equal to 15 into 4, 12 into 4. That is 15 4s are 60, 12 4s are 48. Second, 7 upon 16 is equal to 7 into 3, 16 into 3, 21 upon 48. Then, here we know that the denominators are same. Therefore, 60 upon 48 and 21 upon 48. Then which is greater here? When we compare these two, then 16 upon 48 is greater than 21 upon 48. It means we can write 15 upon 12 is always greater than 7 upon 16. Is always greater than 7 upon 16. Then problem number 8. Minus 25 upon 8 minus 9 upon 4. Here we write minus 25 upon 8 as it is. But we here 4 to the 8. Therefore multiply the second rational number by 2. Here we can write minus 9 upon 4 is equal to minus 9 into 2. 4 into 2, that is 19 to the minus 18 upon 8. Here we write the second rational number in this form, minus 18 upon 8. By multiplying numerator and denominator by the same number, the value does not change. Therefore, when we compare these two, the 8 here minus 25 upon 8 and minus 18 upon 8. When we compare these two, the denominators are same, but minus 25 is less than minus 18. Therefore, we can write minus 25 upon 8 is less than minus 18 upon 8. It means here we can write minus 25 upon 8 is less than minus 9 upon 4. We can write in this way, minus 9 upon 4. This is the problem number 8. Problem number 9. Twelve upon 15 and 3 upon 5. 12 upon 15. Here, to make the same denominator, 3 upon 15 is equal to 3 into 3 and 5 into 3. It means 9 upon 15. And here 12 upon 15 as it is. When we compare this 12 upon 15 and 3 upon 9 upon 15, then it is clear that this is the greater, the 12, the numerator, and here 9 is the numerator. Compare the numerator here, therefore we can write 12 upon 15 is greater than 9 upon 15. Therefore lastly you can write 12 upon 15, instead of 9 upon 15 we can write 3 upon 5. 3 upon 5. Problem number 10. In the problem number 10, minus 7 upon 11. Minus 3 upon 4. Minus 7 upon 11, minus 3 upon 4. Here 11 and 4, the denominators are different also here. We use the rule, consider this is a A, this is a B, this is a C, and this is a D. Therefore we can write here minus 7 into 4 and is equal to minus 28. Minus 3 upon 11 is equal to minus 33. Then compare these two. Minus 28 is a greater than minus 33. If it happens, it means A into D is greater than B into C. Therefore, we can write this cross multiplication is greater. It means the first rational numbers minus 7 upon 11 is greater than minus 3 upon 4. Minus 3 upon 4. Another method to solve same problem, or here multiply this 4 to this numerator and denominator. Minus 7 upon 11 into, and second is minus 3 upon 4. minus 7 upon 11 is equal to minus 7 upon 11 into 4 into 4. That is minus 20 upon 44. Second, minus 3 upon 4 is equal to minus 3 into 11. 4 into 11, that is minus 33 upon 44. Here, when we compare these two, then it is clear that denominators are same. Therefore, only compare the numerators. Therefore, we can write minus 28 upon 44 is greater than minus 33 upon 44. It means minus 7 upon 11 is greater than minus 3 upon 4. This is another method to solve the same problem. Here, when we compare these two, the minus 28 is here greater than minus 33 because minus 28 is at here, minus 33 is at the left to the minus 28. Therefore, minus 28 is greater. In this way, we can solve the same problem.